Hey, how's it going? Good.
Good.
That's the one?
This is the one.
Okay.
So there's nothing you're gonna mess, right? Only the key, just.
I'll make you a key, yeah.
Yeah.
I'll give you 2
mess
keys.
up the cord. Everything.
No, I'm gonna take it off, but yeah, the cord right now works on it?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So you could just try it whenever I'm done. So.
Which one you press? Or...
Oh, I just pressed this one to lock it.
Oh, that's what.
Yeah, you didn't know? I mean, if you
Oh, to lock it, but to open it, you have to.
You guys do the code. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know your code.
You're gonna give us 2 keys, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. You want cold water?
Say it again?
Cold water.
Oh, that'd be awesome. Thank you.
One for the road.
Thank you very much. That one screw doesn't actually do anything.
Okay, sometimes the code is not working, and when I call to the manufacturer, they told me to open it like that. I don't. And anyway, the phone was discontinued. He didn't finish. But he said open it.
There we go. Just paint it onto the door.
And yeah.
Well, there's your cylinder right here.
What's that?
This is the key cylinder.
Yeah.
So I'm just going to take that out, make a key to it. Yeah, just make sure the batteries are good. So,
No, but I changed it.
Yeah.
I changed. Oh, the phone.
Yeah. Thanks. Okay, give me 5 minutes. I'll make you a key to it. Okay.
Okay.
Thanks.
Is this the one? Is it the one? I tried. It's not working.
It didn't work. Here, hold that. Let's see.
Maybe it's working.
That's the right one.
So can you make one more?
Yeah. You want me to rekey it anyway because this key might be worn out.
Yeah.
I'll make it. I'll do it again.
Yeah.
Because it is scratchy a little bit.
Yeah.
So. Okay, I guess they had a key. Okay, so I guess it turns out they had a key, but I don't know, they asked me about it after it was already off the door, so. Charging anyway, right? At this point. Yeah, you can tell that key is not original because there's no numbers on it and it doesn't say Schlage on it, so you know it's a copy. So an original key will work better. All right, done. Just put this back on. See, they have this screw in here.
Yeah.
It's funny because it doesn't actually go into anything because the door, there's a hole there. It's just sitting there.
Okay.
And if the hole wasn't so big, then it would maybe do something. But anyway, it doesn't really matter. It's a nice lock, you know?
Yeah. Does it connected to the Wi-Fi?
No, not this one. There are.
The code.
You need a different there's a different lock. It's called the Schlage N code that connects to the Wi-Fi.
Okay.
Yeah.
Because when I Google it, it says maybe the Wi-Fi.
Well, maybe. I mean, it does have a QR code, but I don't think this one is. I know the ones that do have another thing that you can put in, like an adapter.
Okay.
Yeah, your code should still work. So.